Hey guys, welcome to another vlog. Happy weekend. That is if you watch this on a Sunday, but it's Saturday today and I woke up very late. It's 12:34, which is chalta hai, matlab chalta hai, you know. लेकिन the reason why I woke up so late is because मैं कल रात में अपना makeup organize कर रही थी. Not everything, but just a section, which I'm so proud of. But let me show you guys how it is looking now. Okay, so ignore this and that, उसको organize करना बाकी है. But look at this guys, isn't it so organized? I mean, doesn't look very pleasing, yes, but is it functional? 100%, you know, like अब मुझे पता है कि मेरी चीज़ें कहाँ हैं. Nothing is going to just like drop here and there and create a mess. Of course जो चीज़ें हैं वहाँ पे that might create a mess over time, but that's okay. I mean, it's easier to fix those rather than all of these miscellaneous chotu products just like falling here and there, and then me being lazy in cleaning that up. Basically we bought these little self-adhesive racks from Flipkart. Actually ये kitchen के लिए मंगाया था, but we realized कि kitchen के लिए we had enough, like 3 was enough. So I thought ठीक है, let me use this to organize my makeup, and look at that guys, it's holding up pretty nice, at least for now. And then I also got these small little ones. तो इसमें मैंने सारी miscellaneous चीज़ें रखी हैं, like liquid eyeshadow, kajal, single individual eyeshadow and stuff like that, जो I never end up finding because it's lying somewhere here and फिर दिखाई भी नहीं देता. Guddu, I want to show you something. Come, open it.
Oh, wow! Wow, Ritu.
Nice, no?
I'm ignoring this, but this is really good.
Yeah, that is bad, but
बहुत अच्छा फिट हो गया and कितना स्पेस बच रहा है यहाँ पे.
thanks, guys.
चलिए कुछ तो काम किया.
So I'd also ordered Amazon से wardrobe organizer. That has come. Also Nykaa से a few orders have also arrived. So Guddu and I are gonna go downstairs and collect it. So yeah, unboxing with Guddu.
It's so heavy. Oh, it's together.
Do you need help?
To hold it. ये मूंगफली.
तो ये है हमारे किचन का सीन. ये हमने लिया था, आई टोल्ड यू गाइज अर्लियर कि एक्चुअली हमने ये किचन के लिए लिया था. तो दिस इज हाउ इट इज लुकिंग लाइक, एंड वी ऑल्सो picked up these glass containers or jars, and it's looking really nice. I mean, I'm gonna show you how this looks like without anything in it. So if you guys want, I'll probably put a link in the description box. It's from Flipkart, but it looks very organized. This is how the jar looks like, and we got like 12 for around 700 if I'm not wrong. So it was a good deal, and it looks very pleasing. I mean, it has this transparent cap. So yeah. Also Guddu लगी हुई है हमारे कपड़े ऑर्गेनाइज करने में. तो हियर वी हैव क्रॉप टॉप्स एंड छोटे वाले टॉप्स. यहाँ पे व्हाट आर दीज, जंप सूट्स एंड ऑल. यहाँ पे ड्रेसेस, यहाँ पे भी ड्रेसेस, विंटर वेयर, एंड ये आया लाइक अ सेट ऑफ 9. सो वी आर होपिंग कि like you know that much will be enough. So we'll show you guys how the wardrobe looks like once we have organized everything. Okay, so I'm in my room now. I have to do something with my hair. I'm planning on washing it, so I'll apply hair mask. I'm also having my coconut now. So Guru is busy, पढ़ रही है बेचारी. Sorry. Okay, sorry. It's time to multitask. Let me first apply this mask. I could have mixed a few like home ingredients, kitchen ingredients, but time nahi abhi. So I'll just apply that, and I'll give it 30 minutes. This mask is really great, so it should work fine. So I'll give it 30 minutes. Tab tak I will, you know, organize mere kapde, and then I'll wash it off. let's go. So I had to take a break क्योंकि इतने कपड़े हैं, इट्स नॉट गोइंग टू एंड नाउ, और ज़बरदस्त भूख लग रही है. सो अगर मैंने नहाने में लेट कर दिया तो खाने में लेट हो जाएगा, खाने में लेट हो जाएगा तो जो भी पोटेंशियली फिल्म करना है उसमें लेट हो जाएगा. सो आई एम गोइंग टू टेक अ ब्रेक फ्रॉम ऑल द ऑर्गेनाइजिंग. नहा के आती हूँ एंड देन यू नो एनीवे सारे कपड़े बाहर हैं एंड जब भी टाइम मिलेगा आई जस्ट कीप organizing. So that's the plan. Okay, आ गई मैं नहा धो के, all nice and fresh. Let's do our skincare now. After getting out of the shower मैंने बस face shop का Niacinamide toner लगाया था. Now let's continue with the rest of the skincare really quickly. Okay, so first I'm just very quickly going to sanitize my hand. Now I'm gonna show you how I have started to reintroduce a serum which I spoke about in my skincare video, in my skincare routine. I told you guys about this serum, the Mamaearth Skin Correct Face Serum, that I started using this and it completely wrecked my skin barrier. My skin went extremely dry and all of those things. But back then I was such a dumb idiot that I did not realize that this has niacinamide in it, basically an active ingredient in it, and you know I was overusing it, I'm sure. So that's why I think all of that happened. So now I've started to reintroduce this into my skincare routine and I don't overdo at all. I use very little of the product. Also, I don't use it every single day. Now if you guys don't know, niacinamide is a very good active ingredient to control oil, so you know your skin doesn't produce excess oil, to kind of fade your pigmentation, acne marks and all of those things. So yeah, that's why I've started to reintroduce this and I have started to notice results. You know, like my skin is very balanced, it's not getting super dry or super oily or anything like that. So yeah, that's the serum. So I'm gonna give it a minute. Meanwhile, I'm quickly going to talk about this new moisturizer that I've started using from 2 to 3 days. This is the Raquel ceramide and hyaluronic acid moisturizer for normal to dry skin, non-comedogenic. I've been using this and the instruction says that, you know, use it directly on damp skin, which is only possible of course if you're not using any serum or anything. But on damp skin, if you just use this moisturizer, oh my god, your skin feels so hydrated and nice. So I'm just gonna take a little bit of that and I'm just gonna like first touch and see. Yeah, I'm just gonna apply this. Okay, I'm gonna give it like a minute before I move with my sunscreen. Now generally I, you know, do my skincare routine way earlier during the daytime, so sunscreen is a must. Right now it's already 4, but I still don't want to skip sunscreen because sunscreen is a must even if you're indoors. So meanwhile, I'm just gonna use the Bath & Body Works body cream. This is from their 1000 Wishes range. I've been really enjoying the fragrance of it and also just how moisturizing it is on the skin. So I think I've given my moisturizer enough time. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and apply my sunscreen, and that is all for my skincare routine. I'm gonna finish off with my lip balm very quickly, the Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask. This is a sleeping mask, but I don't care, I use it during the daytime also. So that is all for my daytime skincare routine. Now I have to think मुझे क्या करना चाहिए. I have course to finish, I have to charge this, so I think meanwhile I can go finish that course. So yeah, I'm gonna go and oh, by the way, I'm also gonna like do something with my hair. I don't know, let's see. I'll see you guys much later on in the evening, probably when when my camera is all charged. So I'm back and it is much later now. It's 8:08 to be precise, and I just got ready because I want to film my Nykaa haul. The thing is, I was waiting for Derma Co products also. I ordered a lot of Derma Co skincare, but that isn't really coming anytime soon, so I'm like, let's not wait, instead just give you a Nykaa haul. So yeah, आज मेरा बिल्कुल मन नहीं कर रहा था मेकअप करने का. I was so exhausted. So this is the eye makeup look that I do. Oops. Yeah, this is the eye makeup look that I do whenever I'm really exhausted, because this looks like you have put in so much effort, but to be very honest, I have just put like crease shadow and this glitter liner, and that's it. And of course magnetic lashes, so it really takes no time. So now let me get started with filming.
A few moments later.
So I just finished filming the video. I had to change out of that t-shirt because it was literally like, and I'm again in my comfy Thank You Next t-shirt. Let me show you guys how the wardrobe is looking. So we did end up, you know, putting all of those organizers in there. So let me show you how it's looking now. Okay, so this is how it is looking like. I don't know if you guys will be impressed, but if you had seen the situation of this cupboard before, you would be highly impressed, because everything would just end up to be a mess. We would organize it, it would again fall here and there, and even though we had like lots of hangers, there isn't really enough space. But I feel like this way we have like organized everything. So this has all of the, you know, like videos ke liye tops and stuff like that. This has my office ki kurti and other tops, and this also, yes, this also has kurti. I don't know why we have two of these. I think I can put like you know, bottom wear in one of these if I transfer everything in here. And then what do we have here? We have here dresses, jumpsuits and rompers and stuff like that. Winter wear, that's why it's just exploding. This is, now this we have to organize properly. इसमें हमने बस ऐसे ठूस दिया है. And this is घर के कपड़े. So you guys have seen me in that t-shirt a lot. So yeah, I do really like how this is looking, so organized. So that is the status of the closet. I feel like I got so much work done. Organized my makeup, organized this, filmed a video. I'm already editing this vlog. So yeah, that's it, you guys. I don't think I'm going to stretch this vlog any further, because I have started editing it and the video is already 10 minutes long. So but that's it for today. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this vlog. If you're actually liking watching my vlogs, then please leave me your feedbacks below, because I feel like I'm so new to this. I sometimes feel like I'm just making a fool out of myself, like putting my life out there, and if people are not even enjoying it, then what's the point, right? Anyways, if you are, then please let me know in the comment section below, and also like this video if you liked it. Also subscribe, click on the bell notification, follow me on Insta, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.